So this is the 2015 Junior Cert Ordinary Level Paper 2 and we're looking at question 10. The photograph shows a water tank in the shape of a cylinder. The height h, which is here, and the diameter d, which is here, of the tank are marked. So part A says, using your ruler, find the height of and the diameter of the tank in the photograph and give each answer correct to the nearest centimetre. So when you measure those distances with your ruler, you should get a height of 2 centimetres and a diameter of 6 centimetres. So part B, Jenny thinks that the actual height of the water is 1 metre. Use Jenny's value to find the actual diameter and the actual radius of the tank. Okay, well, Jenny thinks the actual height is 1 metre as opposed to the 2 metres that you got here, 2 centimetres here that you got when you measure it. So if 2 centimetres here represents 1 metre for the actual height, well then it's half the number of centimetres in metres. So we're going to half all our numbers. So the actual diameter, instead of being 6, would be half of 6. So that would be 6 divided by 2, which is 3. 3 metres, that would be. So 6 divided by 2. So 3 metres would be the actual diameter. The actual radius then would be, well, the radius is half the diameter, so it would be 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5 metres. Finally, part C. Column finds other values for the actual height and the actual radius of the tank. They are shown in the diagram below. So column has a height of 1.4 metres and a radius of 2.1 metres. Part C says, use column's values to find the volume of the tank. Give your answer in metres cubed correct to 1 decimal place. Okay, well, the volume of the tank, this tank is a cylinder, so the volume of a cylinder from our tables book is pi r squared h. So we're going to plug these numbers in. We've got pi multiplied by r squared, which is our 2.1 squared, multiplied by our height, which is 1.4. So that means the volume is, when we put all of this into the calculator, we get an answer of 19.38636, and on it goes. But we only need to give it correct to 1 decimal place, so the volume is equal to 19. If it's 1 decimal place, we're going to look at the second digit after the decimal. So this 8, does that change the 3 in front? Well, yes it does. It's greater than or equal to 5, so it's going to be 19.4 metres cubed. And that's to 1 decimal place. And that's the end of question 10.